Dear friends from the print, electronic and online journals fraternity, first of all, let me express my felicitations to all of you on International Women's Day today. Women are always a source of inspiration for the family and any society in the world. So let me start with first the declaration. March 8, 2020 declaration. This is a bare fact that Jammu and Kashmir has been pressing through tough times since 1990, leading to an unprecedented scenario of death and destruction in the region. However, the developments which took place on August 5, 2019 brought some new questions and realities to the force. The decisions taken by the Union government on August 5, 2019, besides scrapping of special status, have reduced the erstwhile princely state to the status of union territory, an unknown and unimagined situation in the 70-year-long history of free India, where a full-fledged state enjoying an enviable position among sister states has been demoted to a union territory. Though unpleasant and bitter, it is an undeniable reality that the developments which took place in August 2019, particularly the deprivation of statehood, has badly affected the self-esteem, pride and confidence of the people across Jammu and Kashmir. This has resulted not only into a complete breakdown of the political institutions but has also stalled the result-oriented and purposeful developmental activity. Hence, a sense of aggressive discontentment on one side and an attitude of complete indifference prevails across Jammu and Kashmir on the other, which at any cost can't be left unattended and unaddressed. The people of J&K have every reason and right to conceive and envision every shade and aspect of a fully developed and civilized democratic society. A society where they can live in harmony and peace, free from discrimination, exploitation and prejudices of any kind or manner under a democratic system. Our people have had huge sacrifices to their credit for nurturing democratic spirit and an ever-evolving political process in this region. Unfortunately, we never witnessed the desired results of our toil and efforts, and instead we were failed time and again by a particular vested interest class. And the result is that we are in a situation where we should have not been. The present circumstances warranted formation of a new political party comprising of those who all along had identified and related themselves to the social needs of multiple strata and factions of our society. A party that can respond to rational aspirations of people without promising them moon or stars. We are not here to sell dreams or fantasy to our people, and instead shall always be pragmatic, honest and fair in our approach. Like Article 370, which was eroded and reduced to a frame during last over 50 years, is now in the domain of judiciary. Hence we have but to wait the verdict of Honorable Supreme Court in any case. However, restoration of statehood, domicile rights on land and jobs, besides a holistic and equitable development of all the regions and sub-regions of Jammu and Kashmir, forms our core agenda. In this background, we have resolved to create a viable political platform that functions in accordance with the wishes of the people and where the people are real stakeholders of the political process. We, the subscribers to this declaration, hereby constitute and form a political party under the name and style of Jammu and Kashmir Apni Party. The party will seek to ensure that JK's destiny is driven by people alone while preserving its identity. Specifically, the party will seek to secure the restoration, as already mentioned, of J&K's statehood, protection of domicile rights, especially with respect to disposition of land and employment in government services, preserve the self-respect and dignity of the people of Jammu and Kashmir, the dignified return of Kashmiri Pandits, empowerment of youth and women, achieve sustained and regionally balanced economic growth, and articulate other popular demands of the people that have a bearing on their well-being. The party will seek to achieve these objectives in a peaceful, democratic and result-oriented manner. Rest are the other formalities of the party, what the party would look like. Only one thing which we will distribute it amongst the press fraternity. Only one thing which I would like to say before I take your questions is this will be a different party, a party not floated by a family, a party where there would be total restriction that anybody who becomes the president of the party cannot be elected more than 2 times. That means If today Mr. X is the president, Mr. X can be repeated only once, thereafter somebody else. So it is a party by the commoners, for the commoners, of the commoners.